All are kindly welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present about challengers. Challengers. Life is full of its ups and downs. One day you may feel like you have it all figured out. Then, in a moment's notice, you've been thrown a curveball. You are not alone in these feelings. Everyone has to face their own set of challenges. Then, learning how to overcome challenges will help you stay centered and remain calm under pressure. Everyone has their own preferences for how to face a challenge in life. However, there are a few good tips and tricks to follow when the going gets tough. There are 10 ways to overcome challenges in life. The first one is make a plan. While you don't know what is going to happen in the future, you can always plan ahead. Look at the patterns in your life and see what challenges you've struggled with. Assess the optimal outcomes and make a plan for how you can achieve them. If you work somewhere and can anticipate the types of challenges you may face, then you can plan ahead. This is the same for the students in school. If a challenge is time management, then you can learn and plan for a calendar management, for example. The second way is know you are not alone. Every person in this world has their low points. Some may handle or even hide it better than others. But the truth is, whatever you are going through, there are others who have been through it too. You are not alone. Try to reach out to your community and network. Speak your feelings and express your concerns in all settings of your life. The third tip is ask for help. You are not alone, so you can find help. There's no need to feel ashamed for asking for help, whether you choose to rely on a loved one, a stranger, a mentor, a friend. There are people who want to help you succeed. The fourth trick is feel your feelings. By masking your feelings, they are not going to go away. Rather, feelings become trapped energy and can even have negative health consequences when they are ignored. Take some time to feel what you feel. This could come in the form of the meditation, or if you'd rather write down what you feel, writing can be therapeutic and cathartic experience. When you feel and share your feelings, you may also able to see your situation in a new light. This exercise could lead you to coming up with novel solutions and overcoming any challenge at hand. The fifth way to overcome challenges: accept support. Asking for help is only one side of the coin. On the other side of the coin, you have to be open and willing to accept support. People who come to your aid truly do care about you. Be open to receiving help when you need it. The next one is help others. The old adage goes, what you give is what you get. If you've been through a situation or have advice for someone you know who is going through a tough time, be sure to help out. Helping others not only benefits them, but it can also help you feel happier yourself. The next tip is think big. It can be easy to let yourself think small because of the fear of failure or even the fear of masking a decision, but to accomplish great things in life, you have to be open to taking risks. With whatever challenges may arise, always think and dream big. That way, you will achieve more than what you could have ever imagined. Try to let your thoughts get in on your own way. The next trick to overcome challenge is positive mindset. What you think becomes your reality. Train your mind to think positively. This will take both time and practice. It begins with mental awareness. You can practice awareness through mindfulness techniques and meditation. When you get good at acknowledging your thoughts and letting them pass, you can stop negative thoughts in their tracks. The next one is don't give up. When a challenge arises, be it a big test in your school and upcoming running race, don't give up. Persistence is a huge key to overcome challenges. Giving up means that you will neither overcome the challenges nor learn from it. Power through challenges by asking for support, feeling your feelings, and making a plan to work through it. The last tip is work smart, not hard. Generally, there is more than one way to get something done. However, there's always just one optimal way or best way of doing it. To work smarter rather than harder, start by working backwards. Outline and define your goal. Then plan the process for how to get there. Perform research to see how others who have come before you have done it. Take count of your own skills and ideas for how you may be able to do it better. Then stick your path and get to work. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.